was flying off. Let's take off on the Ninja today. Welcome back. I got a comment in the comment section asking what size my rear tire was. And I know the 650s, they come with 160 wide in the rear. So what I did was I went ahead and put a 170 in the rear. It's not much thicker, just a little wider, but I really did it for the look. I don't think it's any different, doesn't feel any different. I don't feel that it's dangerous or anything. Okay, so here it is. It is a 170 60 17. Doesn't look too fat, doesn't look too skinny. I think it looked just right. Caught this thing while I was rolling. This thing was flying off. Damn. Crazy. Look at that. This thing was flying off and I felt something coming on my back. So I reached behind me and this thing was in my hand. I remember breaking it, but I guess I didn't figure out a good way to put it on without it catching air.